Hello there. Today, I'm going to show you the Brand Insights module within Sprinklr. The Brand Insights module is useful for brands to leverage Sprinklr's listening and benchmarking capabilities to understand the publishing strategy of their own brand and also other brands. Let's take a sample report. These are all different sample reports based on different use cases. Let's open one. So this one's called Benchmark Brand Performance. I've selected my favorite football club, Chelsea, over here. You can select any brand that you'd like. For instance, if you wanted to simply select Google, it would automatically populate the competitor brands. For the sake of this video, I'm going to switch to Chelsea. So it automatically is populating Bayern Munich, Manchester United, Arsenal, Liverpool, and Tottenham. So I can see the brand performance scorecard over here. I can see the total number of posts, the growth over time in terms of engagement and average engagement per post. I can see the brand activity over time split by different ones. We can see that Manchester United is leading in terms of the number of posts. We can see the audience engagement, the activity by time of day. So we can see that 10 a.m. is probably the time where the most engagement is happening. And sorry, this is when they're active the most, and this is when they're engaging the most. So again, 10 a.m. seems to be the time where most audiences are active. You can see channel-wise activity and performance of the brand. We can see an audience growth strategy. So this shows that the highest follower growth has happened over here for Tottenham, 28.26 million followers, and they have a 7.49% follower growth over the last 60 days. This is just one report that highlights the benchmarking capability. We can also go into another one, such as PR Executive Report, where we can see the contrast between the PR efforts of these brands. So we have different public relation KPIs that would start showing up over here, such as media coverage, top tier publications. Again, we can click on any of these metrics to go ahead and drill down and see what the root cause is behind that. We can see the trend over time, the coverage breakdown over here, and the top phrases that have been used, along with the top themes that are being discussed. So it looks like Mudryk would be sold to Chelsea is the top theme that is being discussed online. We can see the shares of social top tier publications. We can also see benchmark media coverage. The widgets take a little bit of time to populate because the data is being pulled from different sources. So here you go. It's showing that Arsenal has the highest media presence. You can benchmark media coverage by different news agencies. You can see the traditional share of voice and the trends of share of voice. This is on social, and this is the trend of share of voice on social. We can also see the top news articles that are mentioning these topics. So Chelsea seems to have been mentioned in this topic, and we can see the news article summarized over here. We can also see the highlights of the news articles that are talking about this, followed by emerging publications. And these are the key themes that are being spoken about in conjunction with these brands over here. This is the worldwide media coverage. Looks like UK is leading in terms of the media coverage on these clubs. These are the organizations that have been co-mentioned with our brands. So this is just one report that talks about the PR executive efforts that each brand is putting in. You can explore each of these use cases, and these would help you inform your publishing strategy and really make the most out of your publishing.